When it comes to all-season tires, Michelin's CrossClimate 2 has long set the standard in the three-peak mountain snowflake segment, providing a balance of safety and performance in all weather conditions. But now, Uniroyal's AllSeasonExpert 2 steps into the spotlight. Does it have what it takes to challenge Michelin's reign? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with wet performance. In braking tests, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 slightly outperforms, stopping at 34.8 meters compared to Uniroyal distance of 35 meters. However, in straight-line aquaplaning resistance, Uniroyal takes the lead, managing to hold its grip at 82.3 kilometers per hour while Michelin follows closely at 81 kilometers per hour. So, while Michelin edges ahead in stopping power, Uniroyal shows better stability when navigating water-covered roads. Snow performance is where things get interesting. Michelin takes the win in traction with a stronger grip, but Uniroyal claws back by stopping quicker in snow braking tests with a braking distance of 10.7 meters versus Michelin 11.1 meters. This makes the AllSeasonExpert 2 a strong contender for snowy conditions, especially in emergency stops. On icy roads, the Uniroyal AllSeasonExpert 2 shows its strength again, stopping 1.3 meters shorter than the Michelin CrossClimate 2. This difference could be crucial in maintaining safety on those unexpected icy patches. When it comes to wear, the story changes. The Uniroyal AllSeasonExpert 2 offers a longer mileage of 48,000 kilometers compared to Michelin mileage of 44,000 kilometers. But there's a catch. Uniroyal has a higher abrasion rate, meaning it wears out faster per kilometer due to its deeper initial tread depth. For dry braking, Michelin's lower tread depth gives it a substantial edge. The CrossClimate 2 stops in 39.5 meters, significantly shorter than the Uniroyal's 46.6 meters. This could be a critical factor for drivers who frequently deal with dry road conditions. Noise and fuel consumption. Both tires are neck and neck, with minimal differences in decibel levels and fuel efficiency, ensuring a quiet and economical ride for drivers regardless of choice. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 excels in dry braking, snow traction, and abrasion. On the other hand, the Uniroyal AllSeasonExpert 2 excels in snow and ice braking plus mileage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.